In this episode, we welcome back a former crew member before having our fuel polished. And then we head to El Yunque to have some fun and some waterfalls. This season of Sailing Doodles features Bobby and Taylor as we set sail for the Caribbean in our 1989 CT56. This channel is made possible by our patrons. Thank you so much. In the previous video, we got in a little pool time followed by some nightlife. And then we set sail for one of my favorite spots in Puerto Rico, Marina Puerto del Rey. Puerto del Rey is the largest marina in the Caribbean and the perfect staging point for the rest of the Caribbean. It is a rainy day here in Puerto Rico. So we've kind of been taking care of ourselves in the boat this morning. I got a guy scheduled to come polish the fuel tomorrow. So nice. They came by and did that. So, but we are on the way to the airport to go pick up a new crew member. So we're not gonna say who it is yet. We'll just we'll show you when we pick them up. So, all right, you ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. So we rented a car and headed to the airport to pick up our new crew member. Graham and Theodora were still with us from Babe, Where's My Passport, and you will see them in the next video. So it's Punky.
Hi guys, maybe some of you guys remember me?
Yeah, she's been here before, so there's a link popping up to her Instagram down below, but great to have you back.
Well, great to be back.
All right, let's go to the boat. We brought Punky back to the marina to get her all settled in.
Whee, VIP service.
So, first impressions of the boat, what do you think?
It's roomy for a monohull.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It feels very homey down here. I mean, like, this feels more like somebody's, like, living room than, like, you would on a catamaran.
Yeah.
So, alrighty. Finally getting the fuel polished. Basically, what they're going to do here is they're going to move all the fuel from this tank into that one, because I got less than half in each one, and then clean the tank, and then put it back on the other side after filtering it, and then clean that tank. So how bad is it in there?
It's really bad.
Yeah?
It's really bad. You can see it.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's all... Oh, that's like
all
mold or growth?
Stuff, yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. That's pretty bad. Oh, wow. And you said there's like homemade baffles in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
These holes on the baffles are homemade. You can see the cuts.
Yeah.
They're not for the fabric, right?
Right. Well, I mean, I guess it's... Yeah, okay, cool. But if everything, I mean, you'll be able to clean it all up and everything?
Yeah, we're gonna clean it.
All right,
we're gonna clean it.
This is Steven from Advanced Diesel?
Advanced Diesel at your service.
All right, cool. Well, thanks for coming out, guys.
Thank you.
They basically move the fuel from one tank through a set of filters. There's a water separator and a filter. And then pump it into the other tank. Once that tank is empty, they're able to get in there and scrub it, and then use the fuel to kind of clean it and suck it up as they go.
You can see all
the sludge that came out of there.
Yep.
That little sock is full of it. Yeah.
That's what you have on your tank.
Yeah, it's kind of gross. Glad we're getting this cleaned out. We're wrapping up the tanks right now. They got another 30 minutes of fuel polishing. This is Ariel. He's the owner
of
Advanced Diesel.
Me and my daughter.
So you said that sailboats generally, you know...
Yeah, normally when we're working with sailboats, we find a lot, but a lot of dirt when you compare it with power boats.
Yeah, because we just don't use as much diesel.
Yeah,
right?
people normally don't use a lot of diesel on sailboat. They remain the tank with for a while with the same fuel. Yeah. And normally they have a lot of problems.
Yeah. All right, so if somebody's down here in Puerto Rico wants some work on the boat, how do they find your...
Yeah, you could call us, Advanced Diesel Solution. You could find us at 787-598-4140 or 787-508-2227.
Cool. All right. Well, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right. It feels pretty good having the fuel polished like that. They really cleaned out the tanks. It's pretty dirty. And having it all polished, and it just gives a lot more confidence when we're pulling in and out of places that we definitely need the motor to keep running.
One less thing to worry about or have to fix.
So now we are going to head to El Yunque. It's kind of rainy afternoon. We'll probably end up getting wet. El Yunque is a rainforest here in Puerto Rico, and it's pretty nice. Did it a few years ago and it was really cool. We're gonna go check it out again. Has some really good views and some cool waterfalls and stuff. Hopefully we'll get some of that. El Yunque is the only tropical rainforest in the United States and is about a 30 to 45 minute drive from Puerto Rico Marina. It's a pretty amazing view. It's rainy pretty much year-round, and there are dozens of waterfalls.
Well, it's pretty busy here today. A lot of the stops, like all the parking spots, have been full. And it's nice because it's free admission, so you don't actually have to, you know, pay anything to come here. And it's a beautiful place.
Elevation is almost 1,600 feet, so
wow.
Yeah, that's why it's cooler up here. There are several observation towers throughout the park that give you an even better view. Of course, what it's really known for is its hiking trails down to the waterfalls. So there's a couple little trails that go down some rivers here, so we'll check those out. Maybe swim in one, I don't know. All right, so this trail was a dead end. Perhaps it would have been good if we looked at a map beforehand. So we'll head down to the next place and we hike down to some falls. Little did we know that was not going to happen either. Well, unfortunately, see, this is the Mina Falls right here, but the trail is from here, Palo, Colorado, down to there. There's that other trail where everybody was parked before. You know, that one where a lot of people were parked going down, that's probably the trail that still goes to Mina Falls.
Okay.
So we'd have to go back to that other place. But a lot of the trails are closed because, well, it still says from damage from Hurricane Maria, which was like 3 years ago. So, even though a lot of the main attractions were closed, there were still a few fun spots to see.
So this used to be used as a pool until 1976, but I wouldn't go swimming in there right now.
So I think, if I remember correctly, my friend Alberto was telling me that this place was a concession and a bathroom back, you know, in the 60s when this place was open. So, well, I mean, I can imagine this was a pretty cool place to come hang out back in the 60s.
Oh yeah.
This is Diego Creek, or Juan Diego Creek.
Diego, yes.
It's about the only place in the park that's actually open. We're gonna try to go swimming in the little pool or something.
How is it, Bobby?
The water was definitely a little chilly. But Punky is afraid of no water and jumps right in.
I want to get out, but I mean, like, out of the water, I can't feel my skin, so I'm all right.
Punky is also quite the hunter. There was another waterfall a little ways up the trail, so we headed there.
This is a safe little guide wire. We should be fine.
It's gonna be interesting.
Yeah. It was a slippery little trail leading up and then down the mountain.
beautiful here though? Everything is so green, like there's so much light. I know, it's hard.
The wrong path.
All right, a cool spot here. It's definitely worth a stop if you're gonna be in Puerto Rico, especially if you're gonna be on the east side anyway. It's a lot better when Mina Falls is open, but it's not, so I don't know. We're about to rain though, so hopefully we'll make it out of here before it starts raining. Welcome to Naughty Dogs. Yeah, so your hair's in the way. You kind of make it tough to jump. Here, I'll hold them. I'll hold it. Go ahead. So a lot of you guys give me crap about the white glasses. They've become a trademark now, so sorry. But although Punky brought me some glasses she thinks would look good on me. What are those? So what do you think, guys? Should I try switching to these?
It's very
Heck yeah!
Elton John-esque.
Yeah, Elton John?
Yeah.
All right, I could wear a big duck costume in this. It'd be awesome. Yeah, shaved beard.
Trendy.